So will the Prime Minister stem anti-incumbency? That's the big question. Article 370 right now, a poll issue in Bihar. Will it get traction? I want to connect to our guest this evening. I have Rohan Gupta from the Congress. He's joining us from Patna. In just about a minute, I'll be joined by Iqbal Singh Lalpura. He's the Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson. Let me begin with you, Rohan. Mr. Gupta, today, the Prime Minister began his first rally and he immediately put forth one point which he repeated. Number 1, Sasaram, Rally 1. Number 2, Rally 2, which was at Gaya. The third rally, which was at Bhagalpur, he kept saying only one thing: if the opposition comes to power, they will reinstate Article 370. We've had a Yogi Adityanath rally where he said that Mr. P. Chidambaram has said the minute Congress comes to power, they will reinstate Article 370. Sir, will the Congress reinstate Article 370 when it comes back to power?
See, as you have rightly said, PM was speaking at rallies in Bihar, and these rallies are about the Bihar elections. The frustration of the PM and the hypocrisy of PM was quite visible in all his speeches. His body language was saying it all, that he was absolutely not confident. Here was the Prime Minister, he was talking about 19 lakh jobs, where his government has destroyed 12 crore jobs. Here was the government which was talking about giving free vaccine to the state people, when it is a matter of central government. It is a responsibility of central government to provide free vaccine to everyone. Here is the Prime Minister, he was talking about women's security when his own government in UP is a role model of how the women are treated in BJP ruled state. So hypocrisy was quite visible, and it was his compulsion to talk about issues which are not all ground issues as far as Bihar is concerned. Okay. They are in power in Bihar for last so many years. They have nothing to speak. People of Bihar, they know what is the ground reality, and people of Bihar, they have made up their mind, and that's why this frustration, everybody could make out that PM was not in his usual sync. He was not, he never knew where he was going. His focus was not there. He was everywhere. And I think today the feedback on ground is totally, he has given up. Whether Mr. Nitish Kumar or Mr. Modi, they have given up on these elections and they are fighting the
Rohan Gupta, you talk about the hypocrisy, of the NDA there, but I want to ask you a question which you skirted very well, sir. And if you'd allow me to ask you that question again, you said issues were brought up today which will not have traction on ground. Article 370 was brought up. The Prime Minister said it thrice. If the opposition returns to power, Article 370 would be reinstated. I ask you as the Congress spokesperson, sir, will Article 370 be reinstated if the Congress comes to power?
See, as Mr. PM told about 370, our stand was very clear. The way it was revoked or removed, the way the proper process was not followed, Congress has always said that is absolutely wrong. Everything in the country, yes, it was a issue of BJP manifesto for so many years. But there is a way you can take constitution things in confidence and then you do things. So it's about, the way how they are breaking the constitution. It's not about only Article 370. You see anything, whether it is Supreme Court related issues or state, this Rajyapal governor related issues. Everywhere they have made sure that they make mockery of the constitution. And we will not allow to do that. And whether what Congress will do, let us come back to power and we will see what we will do.
So, okay, Mr. Gupta,
and what are the objectives of Article 370? Let me ask you. He was the first objective was terrorism will be vanished. The second article was that Jammu Kashmir will be well connected with all developmental issues. Today you go to Jammu Kashmir and ask people. The basic objective, why they convince people that they are revoking 370, they are not implemented on ground.
Okay, fair enough.
They have failed in all their decisions.
Okay, Mr. Gupta, before I bring in, I'd ask you, before I bring in the BJP spokesperson, so with whether it catches traction on ground is a separate thing. But when the Prime Minister did say that the opposition will reinstate it, he was right.
Democracy in Jammu and Kashmir